What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to change song order on Spotify playlists, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you stay alerted whenever we post another video. So let's say you're on some playlists and you want to change a specific song order. So let's see how to do it. So as you can see, currently we are in today's top hits. So how to change the song order? So basically currently we do not see anything. Let's see, can we just hold it and move it? So as you can see, we cannot. So what does the Google say? So it says you can launch Spotify app on your mobile, choose the playlist you want to sort or rearrange, swipe down to screen a little bit to reveal sort option, tap sort to access available sorting options such as title, artist, album recently added, and custom order if enabled on desktop. So as you can see, you can change it on desktop. When you do it, like here, we do not have basically I do not have a sort or rearrange. You can try it on desktop. So basically guys, that's the way to do it. So one other way is if you're creating your own playlist. So also you cannot do it over here, but what you can do is while creating a playlist, the order you are basically entering songs, it is basically the order the songs will be played. So keep that in mind when you're creating a playlist, or just if you do not care about the order, press shuffle or just leave it that way and the songs will play as the Spotify plays them. So guys, quite an easy way. If you want to rearrange the playlist, as you heard, you need to go to desktop. So basically that's the way to do it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Goodbye.